Yo, get ready to burn fat, build muscle, and boost metabolism with these 8 great dumbbell exercises you can do anytime, anywhere. I'm BJ Gaddour, the former fitness director for the Men's Health brand, and over the last 20 years, my dumbbell workouts have helped millions of good people just like you get in great shape right in the comfort of their own home. Take it to the gym, hotel room workouts, whatever you want to do. These 8 exercises will test you to the limit. All you need is a light pair of 10 to 25 pound bells to get it done. How great is that? Now, I also have some amazing dumbbell follow-along workouts on YouTube here that are progressive. They start you at ground zero and they build you up and get harder as you go. They're all 20 minutes and you can do them right here on my channel. I also have some basic tutorials using dumbbells. These 8 movements are a little bit advanced, so check out in the video description 2 starting points, whether it be a single dumbbell or a single pair of dumbbells, to use dumbbells to get in great shape, all right? I got it all covered for you. Please smash that like button, help us get this content and more good people like you. Help me, I'm poor. And stay tuned, subscribe for more great stuff just like this. Now don't wait, start today. Waiting is for people that don't want to ever do anything amazing in life. That's not you. You get started right now, today, with these 8 great drills. Love you guys, peace. The traveling bear row is an amazing exercise for the core, the shoulders, the abs, and the back. The key here is on the row, push down, pull up. Arms should form a 90-degree angle at the top. Exhale up, inhale down in that movement. Opposite arm leg. I can go backwards. So how do you do a decline press without a bench? You do it from a bridge. And now this angle, I get more glute activation, and I'm gonna work more on my lower pecs without the need for a bench press. And I can even make it more challenging by tucking one knee to the chest. Inhale down, exhale up. And this one, again, we're talking chest, abs, glutes, and again, major core stability, especially on that one leg. Be sure to switch sides set to set or halfway into your work period. And again, it's a way to make lightweight feel heavy and take a isolation move and make it work more muscle for a better fat burning effect you can do anytime, anywhere. As I do this, I can also go laterally to increase the challenge or mix things up. And I can even do a little bit of a bear push-up. You don't go down as far, but it really hits the anterior shoulders and the triceps and that top half range of motion. So forward, backward, left, right, at a row and ease, or even a push-up. This movement, it'll light you up. The bridge to pullover is an awesome exercise to strengthen your glutes, your abs, and your lats. It's a pullover in a high bridge position. Now, how do we make it more intense? We go like this. We tuck one knee to the chest with a single leg glute bridge position, and now we really dramatically increase the stability demands. You're gonna inhale down, pause briefly when the bells touch, exhale up. Slight bending the elbows maintained throughout. Either switch legs halfway into the set or from set to set, but this is a full body movement, and it's a great way to take an isolation exercise and make it multi-joint for more bang for your buck. Doing thrusters sitting onto a box. Auto-corrects your form and technique, takes pressure off your back and knees, and is easier to recover from. Now I like to add slant boards because it allows me at the bottom to get a little more range of motion through the hip and the knee and target the low quads more. It'll also help kind of clean up your mechanics. And if you have ankle mobility issues, if you have tight ankle, you tend to kind of bend here, but it allows you to get more upright so you take pressure off your back more and get that pure vertical path on those thrusters. So get ready for this one. My favorite workout, mini workout you can do anytime, anywhere. Go 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Try to get at least 5 thrusters every 20 seconds for 4 to 5 straight minutes. Anytime, anywhere, full body workout you can do it. Also, killer to plug in to a full body circuit. Pair 25 pounds or less will change the way you feel about the world. Do it today. Get ready for the hinge to row ladder. Now here's how it works. I actually have my toes elevated on a pair of slant boards to get more stretch in my ankles and hamstrings. You can do it feet flat on the floor. Toes are forward, knees are soft. I'm gonna start here so I can get a little space for the dumbbells. I'm gonna inhale down. Weights come straight down the legs, pushing my hips back as I'm closing a car door with my butt, and I go as low as I can without rounding the back. Flat back, head in line with spine. Exhale up and pull the weights to a 90-degree angle right there at hip level. Bring it down, exhale it through. Then I got 2 reps down here. And then I got 3. I'm gonna climb that ladder as high as I can for a rep goal, let's say 10, or just going for time. And I'm working the entire backside of my body. A pair of 10 to 25 pound dumbbells will light that ass up. This is one of the best arms, abs, and shoulders exercises in the game, and stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to make it full body as well. What we're doing here is we're going from an overhead press on one arm and a curl on the other, meeting in the middle. So I'm gonna exhale going up. Inhale going down, all right? It's gonna really challenge your core stability. Now, let's get the legs involved and do it from a hover hold. Hold that position. Stay tall up top. And now if you really wanna mix things up, you can elevate the heel to get more low quad stress and get more range of motion through the hip and the knee, or you can elevate the toes to get more stretch in the ankle, more dorsiflexion. Lots of options. A pair of 10 to 25 pound bells will crush you. This is one of the most challenging exercises you will ever do. It's called a split curl to thruster. Now I start here, hovering just above the ground, isometrically working my legs. I do a curl, and then once it gets here, I pop up all the way. Inhale back down, reload. Now you see me here, heel elevated for more low quad stress, okay? You can go feet flat on the floor, or elevate the toes in the slant board for more of a stretching the ankles or the calves. You got some options here, but it is so challenging. It's so full body. If I had to pick one exercise to really burn fat that was easy on the joints, this would definitely be in a top 5. Enjoy this one.